Everyone, is Gabriel here for Gabby Angel Designs. If today is your first time watching my video, kindly subscribe to this channel, comment under this video if you don't understand anything, like this video, and also share it to your loved ones. In this video, we are going to learn how to change this can to this. It's a very interesting tutorial. So guys, let's start. This is our empty can, like this. This is our empty can. This is our empty can. So you will select your object selection tool and drag it around the can like this. Photoshop will automatically select the can. So guys, after the selection, Command Ctrl+ J to duplicate the layer. So this is our duplicated layer. So let's hide the duplicate layer. Come to rectangle. Select your rectangle tool. So let's create our rectangle shape like this. Let's remove every stroke. You can choose any default color like this. So guys, let's convert this shape to smart objects. After that, let's reduce the opacity like this. So guys, let's create something here. Come to warp. After that, let's create some curves here. Let's create something like this. Let's drag the anchor points. Guys, let's make sure that everything is okay here, because here is very important. This side is very important. Okay, so guys, after the warping, let's mark it or Command Enter. Let's set the opacity back to 100%. Guys, double tap on this shape thumbnail. It will open like this. So after that, let's search for our can label like this. Let's put it on the rectangle shape. After that, let's scale it. Let's scale it like this. Okay, let's scale it like this. After that, Command Ctrl+S. I'm talking about save, Ctrl+S. So let's get back to our tutorial. Guys, as you can see, we are having this here. So guys, let's hide this layer. Let's make the duplicated layer visible. After that, hold Ctrl and click on the thumbnail of this layer. After that, let's hide it again. Click here and let's create a new group like this. So guys, after creating this group, let's create layer mask like this. Let's make this layer visible. Guys, after that, drag this layer to join this group. So you can see that it will be like this. But guys, as you can see, we didn't do the warping well. So let's try to curve this side too, so that we can get everything correct like this. So everything is now looking natural and original. So after that, Command Enter. So guys, after doing this, make sure that you have selected the shape layer. So after that, change the blend mode to linear bend like this. After changing the blend mode to linear bend, let's make the duplicated layer visible. Let's bring it at the top of the layers. Let's go to filter, search for camera raw, or you can command Ctrl plus Shift plus A. That's the shortcut key for camera raw. Reduce our exposure to negative 3.90 is okay, and let's increase our white to 87 is okay. Let's command okay. So guys, as you can see, we have got a shiny can. So after that, let's change the blend mode to screen. So it will be like this. Let's reduce the opacity. So guys, as you can see, we have reduced the opacity to, okay, let's make it, okay, 33 is okay. Mine is 33. So guys, to get a quality effect, hold Control and click on the terminal of this can. After that, right click on it and select inverse. After that, come to create a new filter, select solid color. Let's pick the color from here like this. So let's remove the solid color from the group so guys, it will be like this. So guys, it will be like this. So this brings us to the end of today's tutorial. If you find it useful, kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel so that anytime we upload any new video, you'll be the first person to watch. I go by the name Gabriel. You can call me Gabby Angel for Gabby Angel Designs. Until we meet again, stay blessed. Have a nice day. Bye bye.